Hey there, my name is John, and the name of my channel is My Scamp Travel Trail Adventures. This is Jamie, a 13-foot Scamp trailer without a bathroom, and I travel with two small Yorkies, Little Man and Amber. This here is Amber, my female Yorkie, and she's about 8 years old, I'd say, but she goes along for the ride all the time. Okay, this is Little Man right here. He's a male. He's about 4 years old. He's a little bit on the wild side, but overall he's my baby. Anyway, hope y'all go along and enjoy the video, enjoy my travels, enjoy my adventures, explore with us, and hope you enjoy the video. And if you do, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Okay, we're in Huntsville, Alabama. Gonna go to the NASA place, but this is a visitor center. I figured I'd go check it out and see what we can find. I've seen a bunch of cabooses over there and some different things about trains, so we'll go check it out. So walk along with. Oh, this is a birthday caboose. I guess you have birthday parties in here and stuff. Day to day, they're out here cleaning the locomotives and just cleaning up the whole park here. Right there. And they got a passenger car right there. So you gotta go check that out. See inside them a little bit better, but you can't because the glare, and you really just can't see the inside what they look like. I think visitor center would be open today, but it's not. Painting benches, clean the engine, stuff like that. The thing of the past turntable where they turn the cars around to go the opposite direction. Pretty cool. And a welcome Huntsville Depot and Museum, the old house. Okay, I'm getting ready to walk into the U.S. Space and Rocket Center in Huntsville, Alabama. This is one of the first things you see when you walk in through the guest gate. The statue as you walk into the main gates is dedicated to the pioneers. Got a lot of detail in it. Monument dedicated to Miss Baker, Squirrel Monkey, first U.S. animal to fly in space or return alive. Right here, I'm getting ready to go into. I guess the other one was just another entrance, but get ready to walk in. See what we find. This is all the planets. A little bit of information on each one. I thought this place would be really cool to come to and check out and explore. Gift shop. Even got little space suits, little helmets. Memorabilia right here, or either high dollar gifts. Well, they got all kind of decals. They have different exhibits as you leave the gift shop. If you want your picture taken, they got a cutout you can stick your head through and you be one of the afterlife come back dead, I would say. They have a whole lot of military stuff in here. Pretty interesting. Got a lot of cool stuff in here. Uniform is if you want to ride it, but due to my heart condition, I don't think it'd be a real good idea. But name of this exhibit is Life Aboard. Oh, look at the bathroom. Have a little bit of everything, like I said. 3 astronauts on Apollo 11. Right there. Pretty wild, isn't it? They had the backup suits, but I guess original suits. said they rolled this thing in here, but it sat outside for a right good while. Next generation space transportation. Space uniforms. I just think it's, these are from the space lab. Mobile quarantine facility. I guess that's where they lived. Wow.
Pretty well known, I guess, if anybody saw Renton and the Lady Hippie over both Kentucky Riverdale Air Station. We joined the same squadron. After that, back up together on
Pretty wild.
Armstrong and Jeff.
I don't know, man. That's an old Airstream is what it is. The simulator. All the gauges they had to learn to work and to control everything. Pretty wild, isn't it? First space station. Skylab mission. I have no idea what any of this stuff is, but it looks like some kind of exercise equipment. I imagine being in that. This was a Gemini training capsule. I would try to get a better view inside, but due to the reflection and everything, it's kind of hard to do. I mean, I guess their heads laid right there, and then their legs and everything, their body parts went up there, but the hands of the 3 astronauts on Apollo 11. Pretty hard to do. NASA dudes down there, but I guess that's the oxygen pack right there. Practice, basically they use this one for getting in and out. That's all they did was practice getting in and out of it. Equipment from Gemini 4. Then we have another training capsule. A lot of the equipment would be pretty wild right there. It'd be riding on the moon. Okay, this is a real deal. Apollo 16 command module. I gotta slam up against glass, that way I won't cut back on glare, but I imagine it wouldn't be too comfortable laying in there like that. Pretty wild. Moon rock. Practice on all the gauges and switches and everything they had to do. But that's what it was right there. JFK. On May 25th, 1961, President Kennedy challenged America with the task of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to the Earth. Information about the history of the space program. A lot of exhibits, some really cool stuff in here. Pictures of the 2 monkeys that rode to space. That's where they put the monkeys in the ship right there, and that's the rocket blasting off. Wow. Be riding on that thing. Skylab program. Buster. I could not imagine being in something that small. Back end of it. So let's walk up and see the front of it. There. Wow. Be some tight living quarters. They have a lot of cool exhibits outside and everything's labeled, so there's no guessing at what you're looking at, which I thought was pretty cool. Very interesting place. I enjoyed it. Those guys back there in the white coats, they actually work with NASA. Any questions you need answered, they can answer them. They know all about this place. I just thought it was cool, especially that original capsule from Apollo 16. And some of the stuff is unreal. How much give me a thumbs up, and I'm on the road to Birmingham. Don cooking lunch.
Eggs, beef smoked, sausage, jack cheese, and 2 eggs.
$15 for the site right here. I get a 50% discount. We've been the last couple of days right here. Been drizzling on and off, but I fixed a hole in top of my camper pretty good. But I think I'm on my way to Jackson, Mississippi. And then from there I might slide on down to New Orleans. I don't know yet. I haven't really figured out a game plan, but if you get a chance, check out the Corps of Engineering. They're all over the country. And they do sell a book. You can buy it on Amazon, and they'll give you a location of them all and telephone number you can call and get updated on the price of what they have there. And they're a good deal, so wish you luck. Check it out. Okay, made it to Mississippi. About 2 hours to get here after leaving the Corps of Engineering Park.